Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can join 9G AG social media platform. So if you are a funny videos creator, just you can go and join this platform. So if you also want to create news content, then you can also join this platform. Just you can go here and after that click here sign up. Then here you will get multiple options. Then select email and click here continue button. And here you can select some interests, so you can follow these, and after that click the button next. Then here you can select the countries. For example, I want to select this, and then click here done. And after that here you need to add your age, so I want to add 23. Then click here save. So now you can start creating posts. You can go here and after that you can share funny posts, and here you can select the interest and categories. So scroll down and here you can directly add image or video files from the URL. And you can also ask questions, so like we see on Quora.com. So just you can ask questions and you can increase your audience, then you can start earning money on this platform. You can go here and here you can see you will get all the options like other social media platforms.